India stands on the verge of a high-speed revolution, one that will link the heart of peninsular India to the spiritual city of the north. Welcome to our deep dive into the Nagpur, Varanasi High-Speed Rail Corridor, a transformative project stretching nearly 760 to 855 kilometers and designed for speeds up to 320 kilometers per hour. Though still in planning, this corridor could reshape connectivity across the eastern economy. Let's explore all there is to know as of September 2025. The Nagpur-Varanasi High-Speed Rail Corridor is one of 6 new bullet train routes under India's National Rail Plan for 2030. Proposed length, between 760 kilometers to 855 kilometers, per rail post mapping. It will be constructed using the proven E5 Shinkansen technology, operating at 320 km per hour with electrification via 25 kV AC overhead catenary. The corridor will feature elevated, underground, and grade-separated tracks and connect with other high-speed lines like Delhi, Kolkata and Mumbai, Nagpur, enabling integrated national coverage. Current stage, September 2025. It's still in the planning and DPR preparation phase, and no construction work has started yet. NHSRCL has included DPR efforts in its roadmap among 7 other corridors. This corridor is a strategic backbone for the Diamond Quadrilateral high-speed rail network, designed to link Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai, and on the way, Nagpur and Varanasi. By creating high-speed connectivity between eastern and western India via Nagpur and then onward to Varanasi and beyond, the route unlocks economic and cultural corridors vital for balanced growth. The National Rail Plan envisions this corridor as an extension of the Mumbai-Nagpur route, extending it northeast to Varanasi. Local line maps suggest 10 stations, Nagpur to Varanasi, serving major urban and industrial centers along the route. Stations are likely to be spaced to balance speed and access. Expected areas include Nagpur Junction, transit through Madhya Pradesh near key cities, e.g., Jabalpur, Rewa, and onto Varanasi as the northern terminus. The line will connect with the Delhi-Varanasi corridor, forming a network path that enables through travel from Delhi to Mumbai and beyond. As per standard Indian HSR specifications, the line will run on standard gauge, designed for 320 km per hour with continuous welded rails on slab track. Rolling stock will use E5 series Shinkansen trains known for safety and performance. Signaling will include automatic train control and future-proof communication systems. Track geometry will prioritize gentle curves, minimal gradients, and grade separation to ensure safety at high speeds. As of September 2025, NHSRCL has multiple DPRs in progress, including for this corridor, but the Nagpur-Varanasi route has not yet moved to tendering or land acquisition stages. Feasibility studies continue, but execution awaits DPR approval, budget allocation, and stakeholder alignment. The corridor remains in the planned status, not yet approved for construction. If implemented, this corridor would dramatically cut travel time between Nagpur and Varanasi, to around 2.5 to 3 hours, compared to current 12 to 14 hours. It opens up major economic opportunities, enhances trade between central India and eastern regions, including quick access to ports like Kolkata. Catalyzes growth in intermediate cities, from Nagpur's industrial belt to pilgrimage and tourism zones near Varanasi. Benefits businesses, logistics sectors, and passenger convenience massively. A realistic roadmap might look like this: 2025 to 2026, DPR completion and approvals. 2027 to 2029, land acquisition, tendering, and early civil works. 2030 to 2035, main construction, viaducts, tunnels, stations. By 2040 to 2041, corridor operational, integrated into the national HSR network. This aligns with National Rail Plan projections that estimate activation of the Nagpur-Varanasi corridor in the 2041 to 2050 phase. Big projects entail big challenges. Key hurdles for this corridor include complex terrain across central India, requiring tunnels and elevated structures. Multi-state coordination across Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh. Financing, Likely a mix of central funding, ODA loans, like Japan's with Mumbai, Ahmedabad, and possibly PPP models. Environmental and social clearances affecting sensitive regions. Resolving these will be critical for turning this corridor from concept into reality. The Nagpur-Varanasi High-Speed Rail Corridor stands as a visionary link, connecting central and eastern India with speed, efficiency, and opportunity. While it's still in early planning as of September 2025, its inclusion in India's National Rail Plan underscores its long-term significance. If realized, this corridor will become a vital axis of economic integration. Like, share, and subscribe to the Build Chronicle for more deep dives on India's transformative infrastructure projects. Let us know in the comments, which corridor should